Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And once again, if you have the problem with the update, you can do two things. You can do the easy fix that I have, which works for the most part. It worked here, and a lot of people are saying it works. I see some say that it doesn't work. I have the impression that maybe the update wasn't removed. Make sure that you have the KB5001716 completely gone. Even the old one needs to be gone from your list of updates in the Windows Update when you go to check the history, update history. But for the rest, if that doesn't work, you got the second one, which is what I was showing, is that the update is installed, and because it's installed, you can, of course, hide it with the Microsoft tool that I shared the link in the video. So one of these two will work, that's for sure, because that is there's no reason for that not to work if you have that. Somebody said with the hide tool it didn't work. You didn't do it right because it's obvious it works. That works, that's for sure. The hide update always works in hiding an update. So make sure that you do it right and that you follow the steps correctly. So you got two choices, and if one fails, try the other. One of the two will work. But what's interesting is that I've got a lot of comments and I've seen a lot of details online on blog posts that people are a little frustrated because not only this update creates a lot of problems because it fails to install. Well, it doesn't fail to install. It fails because it tries to reinstall itself so many times. But many Windows 10 users found that after that installed, this popped up. And Microsoft did say that the update is there to try to push you to the latest versions of Windows. And now you look at that and you're like, what? Okay. So this is what comes out of this update, which I'm sure a lot of Windows 10 users would have just said, you could have just forgot the update. I don't care. I'm not going to move on. Remember, in this page that pops up, you have the Keep Windows 10 on the bottom left. It's small, but remember it's there, and you can click that and say, nope, I do not want it. You don't have to move ahead. It's easy to not see it. And as a tech guy, I know that a lot of people have a very small portion of the screen they actually see with their eyes when they're looking at their screens. So it's easy for probably a lot of people not to see that right here on the bottom left, there's a Keep Windows 10. So unless you really want to go to Windows 11, make sure that you just click the Keep Windows 10. Sneaky way of Microsoft of doing things. So sneaky update was meant, well, it didn't work very well because it was meant technically to be a quiet little update in the background that pops up that little Windows 11 upgrade, but it backfired because tons of people are having problems now. Everybody knows that update was there and installed in the background. So a sneaky way of Microsoft that kind of backfired to try to lure you into Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.